Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's the one and only Adam D. Noli at it again, bringing you guys another video. And mainly this video is going to be about some misconceptions about dropshipping and main points that you should know so you won't end up failing while you're dropshipping, or you won't get demoralized or anything while you're going through ups and downs with your progress. So these are the main points you should really know, because if you don't, most of the time people will just not believe it's a sure thing, and they'll just end up quitting, and they'll just become failures at almost everything they do if they have that mindset. I'm not trying to be harsh, I'm just trying to be blunt as possible, let you guys know. And these are some of the stuff that you really need to be enlightened about before you actually dive into something. Alright, we're in 2018, and almost everyone, including myself, are so used to instant gratification. We have smartphones that could search almost anything that we need within minutes and not putting that much time and effort into whatever we're trying to get. And this is what kills a lot of dropshippers. And a lot of people think dropshipping is a get-rich-quick scheme, which is far from the truth. Like, it's not. Like, a lot of people are so used to something like, oh, well, this guy sold me a course. Alright, let me just view the course, and then if I'm done with the course, I can make money instantly. It doesn't work like that. And that's just like the information you get on dropshipping. You have to put the time, like you have to put in the time to actually search, be doing diligent research on whatever you're pursuing. And that leads me to the second point that I want to actually talk about. The second one is putting the time doesn't always mean that's enough. And what I mean by that is you can put in the time doing something. For example, if you're following a course on Shopify, and you know that, okay, if I do this, that's what he told me, then I'm going to make money. It doesn't work like that, because you have to look at it like this. If everyone is doing the same thing that you're doing that has that course, how are you going to make money? It won't really differentiate you. Like, you'll just be every other average Joe on a freaking Shopify store. Like, you can't do that, and you won't be that successful if you actually having that mindset. You actually have to change it up. You have to put your own little twist on it. That means not always following directions. Like, use those directions as a guideline, and then actually change them up. Like, a lot of people in courses or in videos, they use examples. Those examples are not supposed to be things that you're supposed to do. Those are just examples for you to use and to modify to your own creation. Don't always follow step by step. Make it your own. Create your own path. That's the main concept. I don't know how else to say it, because I fell in the same steps. I'm not sitting here saying I'm a dropshipping guru. I'm not. I'm completely not. I dropship a few times and I stopped and then I started again, and now I'm actually sticking with the process that I created for myself, because I saw results in the beginning, and I'm sticking with that, and I'm not trying to change it up. And that's the best way to actually be consistent with dropshipping. And that leads me to my next point, which is being consistent. Yes, I know it might sound repetitive, but it matters a lot. It's just it's like anything you do. For example, if you get a gym membership, you bought a gym membership, it doesn't mean you're going to get big after one workout. Even if it's one set, and then you do that repetitively every day until you build up your endurance, you build up your muscles, and you can do bigger sets. That's progress. You can't just work out extremely hard one day, go home, rest, and then do it again in 2 weeks. You're not going to get anywhere. And that's what I'm talking about, being consistent. You actually have to be diligently making a plan of whatever you're trying to complete, and then making a guideline to actually hit those goals. So for example, I plan to list at least 5 products a day on eBay. And that's no matter what. No matter what I'm doing, I have to get at least 5 products a day. That's it. Simple, plain, and blunt. No bullshit. If I can't hit 5 products a day, I'm not meeting my goals, and I have to put a step back. And you don't want to feel like that. And even if you have to take a step back, you're going to be aware, compared to not writing out your goals and not actually doing whatever you actually plan for yourself to actually meet your end-all be-all goal. And that leads me to my last point, is setting goals for yourself. You have to be able to set these goals for dropshipping to actually be consistent, to actually be able to know what you're doing every day you wake up in the morning. You know what you're going to do. You can't just wake up and be okay, I know I need to hit this number somehow. I know I need to try and make $5,000 a month. Let's see what I could do. No, you should wake up in the morning, you know what's your goal, you know what you have to do to meet that goal, and then if you make thorough goals and you actually stick with them, it's going to be a breeze. Honestly, it might seem hard in the beginning, actually trying to put your own spin on things and everything, but Just like working out in the gym, it's always hard in the beginning until you build that foundation, until you build a place where you could actually go in and it's not stressful every time you lift weights, or it's not stressful every time you list a product online. You know, you know what you're doing, you're used to it now, you're used to your own strategy, and it's going to be even more comfortable and more relaxing when you actually do what you plan to do. That's why I just wanted to share with you guys. These are some of the things that I learned in the beginning. It makes you feel like you created like a roadmap for yourself. It's not like you're just waking up every morning just doing the same old, same old. You're actually like having a map to success, and it's easy. It's just like writing out your goals, being consistent, being able to make your own little creation and your own spin on something, and just having a plan. That's all there is to it. And remember, don't just burn yourself out. This is your business. You're supposed to build it up. A good established business is not built in one day. It takes hours and hours of dedication and hard work in the beginning. Then you thrive and you reap the fruit of your labor when it comes to fruition. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys actually enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any input that you want me to have for future videos, please leave it in the comment section below. And actually, in the comment section, please tell me one of your favorite strategies that you use in eBay dropshipping or Shopify dropshipping. I'm eager to learn like what strategy you guys could use, and I want to learn from you guys as well, because I'm still in the learning stages and I'm trying to get as knowledgeable as possible. So with that being said, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.